So I take this camera out birding all the time. I'm normally wearing it at the same time as my binocular harness. And this is how I normally wear it. It's very comfortable. I don't think it's too heavy. And it's easy to quickly access to take a picture. So the lens cap is easy to take on or to put back on pretty quickly. And this is the on and off button right here on the top. Green light will come on when it's on. And this is how you zoom in and out, is this little button here. And so you can see the lens. This is all the way as zoomed in as it can go. This camera has a really powerful zoom. You can take pictures of things really far away. And it's overall really comfortable and easy to see through the viewfinder. And it's really easy to take pictures. So this camera is pretty lightweight and it doesn't bother me when I'm on long hikes. And this is the button for the flash if you want to use flash. And this is the wheel that has different modes. So I normally have it on bird watching mode, or you can put it on night mode, which is good for low light, or scene, which has a lot of different options, but I use the motion one for birds in flight. And there's a lot of features and settings with this camera. So this is the screen. It's easy to open and close, and you press this button here to review your pictures. So this is the last picture that I took, and then if you press this little button here, that's how you scroll through all of your photos. And it gives you details of the photos, and that's your battery life there in the corner. Here's just some example photos that I've taken. The previous was far away. This one's a close-up one. This one was about medium distance. This one was a really far away one. This is at full zoom. There were some turns and gulls far away. And I was able to ID all of the species in these pictures when I got home and reviewed them. So one thing that I really love about this camera is that you can zoom in on the viewfinder. So this was a warbler that was really high up in the tree. So this picture is already zoomed in, but you can zoom in even further on the viewfinder. Just press the zoom button and it will start at ×3, but you can go all the way up to ×10. And by pressing the sideways button, you can move all around the picture, so you can zoom in and look at different areas. So like here, I'm zooming in on its legs. You can see it has orange legs, so it's a blackpoll warbler. It's just a really nice feature to zoom in when you're out in the field when you want to know what bird you just saw. And you can also look through the viewfinder to view your photos. It can give kind of a clearer image, and you can zoom in that way as well. I'm going to demonstrate the powerful zoom on this camera. So it's currently zoomed in about halfway, and this is all the way zoomed in. So this is me zooming in to the bird feeder on my second story window, and that's it at full zoom. But you can even go further than full zoom using the digital zoom at 1.8, 2.2, 2.4. It goes all the way up to 4. So it's at 4 now. You can see the detailed sighting of my house. Really powerful zoom. So I love this camera so much. It's allowed me to see and photograph a lot of really cool birds and a lot of lifers. I know a lot of other birders that use this camera as well, and we definitely agree it's the best camera for birds and wildlife photography.